Hey there, thanks for watching my GMB Snap review by Yevsikov, Firas, Alameh, and Krulik, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This GMB Snap review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this platform myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research its dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Now, let's see what GMB Snap promises us. Tired of all the effort it takes to create a profitable agency? Here's something easy that works right now, a very hot niche. Brand new AI system taps into the hottest new niche, solves a pressing need that millions of local businesses are paying $1,500 for while you profit. Browse from millions of active leads, select the clients you want, analyze their ranking problems, and instantly fix them to get them ranked on Google Maps in minutes. A little bit further down, they tell us that with GMB Snap, you can find the client, contact them, and close the deal. This is new tech that builds citations, backlinks, and ranks businesses on Google Maps faster than anything else, and there's no setup, download, or installation needed. Here we are on the thank you page, and the first thing you have to do is download or install GMB Snap. You can see I've had to install this on my desktop here, even though they said there was no setup, download, or installation needed. You've also got bonuses, your training videos, and a support button on this page as well. We always have to take a look at the training. In this particular training, these top 4 videos are for the front end, and the rest of the training is going to be for upgrades or troubleshooting. Now, once I downloaded this onto my computer, as soon as I went to install it, my computer told me that it was unsafe. So just be wary of that. I did go ahead and install this. You will need to come into accounts, click on the add account button, and this box will pop up. You'll need a Gmail address and a password. Once you get that entered, you will receive a message that it's trying to connect, and once it's connected, you will see the green check mark. The next thing you have to do, which isn't discussed in the training, is you will have to go to settings and enter a Google API key. There are 2 links for you to watch here to get your Google API key. And once you get that in, you'll just hit save. Now that we have this installed and it's ready to go, you'll want to check out your GMB Leads. This does take you to a web page with the GMB Snap Google Leads platform. Your keyword is going to be the business that you want to target, and then you will enter the location that you want to do that in. Click Add Search. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're just going to use coffee shop and in Houston, Texas, and then we'll click Search. What GMB Snap is doing is it is scraping Google for all of the information that matches coffee shops in Houston, Texas. In this list, they're going to give you the option to filter. If there is an X, that means it doesn't have it. And if there's check mark, it does. So the phone number, the web address, if the Google My Business already has images, hours of operation, email address, and Facebook profile. You can shortlist the business from here, or you can view the data. We'll take a look at this one. So it gives you the address, phone number, email, and any information that it finds on Google, it populates into here. It does take a few minutes for it to run this, so we'll just give it a second. Here's the list that GMB Snap came up with us. If you scroll down, you can see all of the checks and the information that it pulls for you. You can load more if you would like to. And in the training, they tell you that your target market is going to be the unclaimed for this list that they've given you. You can select all of the businesses or just a few and choose to shortlist them. I've already done a little bit of this. We'll take a look at my list, coffee shop, Houston, Texas. And if we sort by unclaimed, I do have a few options that have shown up. Once you have a list of people who do not know who you are, that you have just scraped from Google Leads, you will then take that back into your GMB Snap platform that you've installed on your computer, and you will start a GMB project. You can see I've already done one, but I'll take you through this one with me. You're going to need to give the project a name, and because I've already done this, I know all of this information that I'm going to need, so I went ahead and put it in a notepad, but I didn't know I was going to need all of this information when I started. Once you get the business name entered, you can search with their function and select it, and it will auto-populate the information it finds. Click Next. Make sure these are the locations that you want to target. This gives you all the variations that are found, and click Next. Now you need to enter keywords that you are trying to rank for your Google My Business, and you can do 1 per line. Because I was disappointed with the results of the last search I did, I actually did a little bit of Google keywords research for this one to see if maybe that would help, and we'll click next. If you have any YouTube video URLs for the business, you can put it here, or image URLs, and then you need to choose the account you want to use for this project. You have the option to provide directions to or from. I'm just going to skip that. And now we need an article title and body. The information we're given on that is that the article have to be reach of your keywords and the best work unique articles. They do have some spinners that we'll take a look at. If we wanted to spin one of these, you would simply click the spin button, and it does bring up this magic article rewriter 2.3. There's no training on this, but there is a quick spin button. Let's highlight this and see what that does. It says I have to type in 1 spin per line. So let's separate my sentences and try it again. So it added in some code for this if you wanted to use their spinner. I'm just going to leave this as is and we'll finish up. And now we have our project in here and the status is new. To get this started, you'll need to click on it and then you wait while it runs the program. I'm going to let GMB Project run this, and I'll be back as soon as it's done. So that took about 10 minutes, and now we've run our project with GMB Snap, and let's see what it did. So it has given me 1 backlink for Google Maps for this business. Now, when I ran the first project earlier, it also returned 1 Google Maps backlink. Now, because we usually talk about affiliate marketing and not backlinks here, I wanted to do a little bit of an explanation on backlinks for you. A backlink is created when one website links to another. So when website A links to website B, it creates a backlink. Links on websites other than your own that go back to a page on your website. Backlinks are also called inbound links because they represent another website's traffic coming to your own site. The quality and quantity of your backlinks can help you rank higher in search engines such as Google and Bing. And a backlink is a reference comparable to a citation. The reason that backlinks are important and especially valuable for SEO is because they represent a vote of confidence or a citation from one site to another. If many sites link to the same web page or website, search engines can infer or can figure out that content is worth linking to and therefore also worth surfacing on a search engine results page, such as ranking number 1 on Google. But if we look a little bit further into backlinks, not all backlinks are the same, and they don't all deliver the same value. Links that are higher on a page or from pages with a higher DA will help your website rank better in Google search results. And you can use this information to build higher quality backlinks. Underneath that, there's a list of 8 different types of backlinks. Nowhere in here does it say anything about keyword backlinks or Google Map backlinks, which is exactly what they told us when we created this project, where they had us enter keywords and then told us that the article also needed to have the keywords in it. And I was really hoping for better results on this second project. I even did a little bit more keyword research and research on the company to try and make it more targeted, but I still only got 1 result per project that I have done. So what's the strategy with GMB Snap? Well, they actually want you to become a freelancer that uses GMB Snap to create backlinks for Google to understand what their business is about and therefore strengthen their rankings on Google My Business. Now, the long answer is they want you to use GMB Snap to scrape random leads from the internet that you don't know and contact them by cold calling them and convince them to pay you to generate keyword backlinks to optimize their Google My Business ranking. So some of my problems with GMB Snap is going to be that they're kind of taking the freelance thing the opposite way from Fiverr, in that they want you to cold call people that you don't know, you don't have a relationship with, they don't know you. And to do that, you're going to need to pre-plan. You're going to need to do a lot of research on these companies. You're also going to need to have information ready to go to put into this platform. And you're going to need to make sure the article is much better than mine was and be packed with your keywords. So this is going to take a lot of time and effort for you just to pre-plan before you even get started with the project. And for me, cold calling businesses is not my favorite. I have done that before in my lifetime. And another freelancing option would be to list yourself on Fiverr. However, if we look at the competition, there's at least 26,000 people offering the same service as optimizing Google business listings. Most of them already have customers that have written reviews or have optimized their profile to show up at the top. Only the top guys show up on the first few pages. After that, you're going to be like 25,000, 27,000. So it's going to be very hard for you to get seen if you decide to freelance a different way than they're suggesting on the sales page. Not to mention, if we look at what they're charging about $20, $25, some at $40. You've got one at $65, but there's nobody in there paying $1,500 for this service. And the single backlink returns we're getting on these, for this platform to do anything else, you're going to have to purchase all of the upsells. And even in the training, the maximum amount of backlinks I have seen is a total of about 8 to 10. Which is still not going to be enough to increase a business's Google ranking by itself. If we take a look at the pricing of GMB Snap on the front end, you do have the option for basic or elite, which is going to run you $37 to $47. So we'll say the front end's about $50. Upsell number 1 is your Snap sites at $37. Upsell number 2 is your Snap grid at $37. Upsell number 3 is videos at $47. Upsell number 4 is your easy ranker at $47. Upsell number 5 is your magic content at $37. And upsell number 6 is the reseller, and that's listed as $97. All total, GMB Snap is going to run you $349 to install this program on your computer and then sell your services as a freelancer to create one backlink per project. We know that $1,500 for a project like this is really reaching based off of the competition we were able to see on Fiverr. You did actually have to install something on your personal PC that is not safe. And I personally got into affiliate marketing so that I would not have to cold call and contact people that did not know what I did for a living. But that was a personal choice for us. So I'm going to leave it up to you whether you want to spend your money on GMB Snap. I hope you found some value in this video. Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this GMB Snap review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.